So, as you can see, we got the engine in the car. It was actually probably now a month after I've had it running. And I'm dropping the oil, mainly because when I had it on the standstill, I was changing covers, painted valve covers, got the timing cover welded for a drain bung in the future for a turbo. So a lot of stuff was exposed, along with some stuff might have fallen in the intake when it was full of rags. So I figured it would probably be a good idea to drop the oil. Everything seemed fine. Drain plug is actually pretty good. Nothing seems wrong. Catch can isn't catching a bunch of oil, so there's not much blow by, if anything. So everything seems to be fine so far. The Turbo 350 Hughes transmission, solid as rock. I've yet to have any sort of hiccups with it, really. Can't really see because it's dark right there. Fuel system seems to be the next thing that I'm probably going to finish up on. I thought I had enough return line, but it looks like I don't, because when I turn the fuel pump on, the gauge wants to read about 9 psi, but it's not blowing through the needle, which is kind of weird. But, you know, it's been running for a month and I haven't had any sort of bogging or any flooding, so I'm thinking about just running it and watching it like Robbie would say, but I think I'm going to make a bigger Dash 8 return line. Finish covering up a few of these random wires, but some more of this braided nylon covering. Looks a little more fancy, looks a little more finished, looks like I care more because I do. Other than that, everything is pretty solid so far. Once I got the shifter all adjusted, let's show that off real quick. I got one of those B&M ratchet shifters. Same one as in Robbie's truck. And it's pretty nice. I haven't had a chance to use the trans brake yet. I don't think I will for a while, just because I've got these little skinny meats in the back. And any sort of launch on the trans brake is just going to break them loose and make it do a fat burnout. Today, while I had time, I went ahead and tightened up some of the shackle plates. They were kind of loosening up just from driving and getting kind of wild. They're an aftermarket part, so that's going to happen sometimes. Never hurts to nut and bolt check your car. Torqued all the tires down, made sure nothing else was loose. Probably the next major thing is going to be Caltrax, and then a turbo. I've got a VS Racing 7875, and basically all the turbo parts from Speedway Motors. And Robbie's going to help me out with that, get that all fabricated, and I'll probably do the plumbing and try and do some of the tuning on it, try and learn some more. That's what I was doing last night. You can see my laptop in there. But so far, so good. Everything's doing pretty great.